Keluarga Patisi TV.
Sembut mentirang baka jela ba prestun tetsong babat ru ikatnat kampo iyeng jong kasar ka jela ule thu ba kaladan ka jingi pen bet apa deng ki pulit kami kelia bat ki pulit ka sam ban aila di ki pat ba ban let on ya ukba jong ki namar ba kasam wai kala jandir handai kat ba ki nong shong kala pangap ki dong ot ka ba insan hadin kumbalai ni saw kan tai ai ki lami ki nong karbi da ka kenhun bat kalami ka jingi sho edat apa deng jong ki bat ki nong lapangap ha ka ba we nong karbi ulayam kumta hadin kini gijing jaw lo ong bak sorkar kala pencari da ka korpiu miet ha ka tege jaka kabala sedang la do mentah hi kamiet ulo ong bak jing ekran pen baik pot ha kini jaka kadang ya chat chat kumta la kerpat iki pai ba bakin long ki bajai jai pat man buram ya ka an namar bak jing ekran kadang ya
incident that has happened again in Lapangap this today in the afternoon. In fact, what happened was in the morning time, through the understanding of both the police force from Assam as well as from Meghalaya, they allowed the residents of Lapangap to go to the paddy field to collect those produces which is due. I should say it is overdue also. And they started their job, but unfortunately after maybe 3 or 4 hours, again a group of people from Karbi side, they came in to that place, and ultimately the fight happened. Though the police were there, but unfortunately one of them succumbed to disease, and the name of this fellow is Tamong or something. Though I don't get the detail, but it happened just because of the fight among themselves. So now, to make sure that things does not go out of control, government has decided to clamp the night curfew today, and curfew has been already clamped. And I came to know that even government of Assam has already clamped their curfew in that particular area, even from their side. So hopefully tonight we'll be able to control their situation. Well, the message is, in fact, because now the regional committee, joint regional committee has been constituted. From block one, from the government side, we already made Sri Sngau Halandhar, Deputy CM, to look after this regional committee. And from the other side, again, I think one senior minister was also deputed to be the chairman of that regional committee. So we had a meeting with the chairman of the regional committee from this side. I suggested him that you contact your counterpart, sit down, if need be, just go to the ground. Though the joint inspection is yet to take place, just go there and then make people understand. Because right now, this core issue happened just because of the boundary issue. It happens because this particular place is the area of the differences.
The person who died.
From Assam side.
So,
I told you it's from Assam side. If they were not there, both sides, I think bloodshed will happen more. They were there, very much were there, not only from Assam police, but even from Meghalaya police. They were there, but you understand, because see, when you are there, it's a big area, because that is a party field. It's a big area. So they did not even expect that these people will come in, because initially everything was going smoothly, but suddenly it happened like that. So right now, as I said to you, my only appeal is from our own people this side, Lampangat side, better to be cool and calm, and as of now, respect the law, because curfew has been already clamped. They should not come out, and let the police force take whole control of that area. Not only from Meghalaya side, we already had a discussion with the other side, with the counterpart, be it in the level of chief secretary, be it in the level of DGP, and be it in the level of the SP and DC. As this issue is concerned, ancestry, we kept it a priority. We are really concerned about it, and I told CM also. CM has already discussed with even with the honorable CM of Assam. So till now we are yet to know what is the outcome. But as I said to you, I've already told even the chairman of the regional committee, sit down among yourself, and if need be, you can go to the ground and go and appeal both sides that at least status quo is important as of today.
Is there any joint inquiry or what is it?
Right now, nothing of that sort, because see, certain procedure is there. From our side also, we have to, ultimately we have to file FIR. Maybe from that side, I don't know. I'm not aware from Assam side whether they did that or not. But from our side, we have to, because see, a few police personnel also, they met some kind of injuries, but thank God at least not that much, not that serious, but they have these injuries, and even few villagers they met that injuries. So as I said, FIR has been also filed in the police station.
So what are the measures that tension doesn't?
One of them, as I told you, we already clamped curfew in that area. Not only from Meghalaya side, from Assam side also they clamp curfew. Because since once curfew is in place, then we are able to control the crowd. Supposing they wanted to collect themselves in any place, but that is already prohibited.
What about the vigil in other areas, other disputed areas?
I think you should not just expect so much about the worst. Don't expect like that. Always we wish that everything is cool, calm, be it in area. Otherwise we will see, because right now we have another six area of differences. Okay, so I don't wish that this remaining 6 areas, which is yet to conduct the joint inspection, I wish that everything is is normal, and we need to respect both sides. We need to respect for the status quo. I think that also is one of the issue. We really wanted to again carry on with the inspection, joint inspection, but unfortunately, sometimes when we requested from our side, from Assam they are not free, and again now I think Assam they are fully busy with their preparation of their election, because election will be held next year. So these are the issues where ultimately we can't reach to the convenient time. Then ultimately till today we are not able to conduct the joint inspection as mandated by the joint office.
Pin real squad, ya kak tin la jong pin dam kam, ya kabakan kiyo kak tin khasi, kak tin la jong, I can roy kan pa. Balay pi ong gate, habangi don la jong ka kentin khasi, kerdop lani phalor. Beli lani khang ya katuka phalor ni juya ong. Saka weipan, kakten kasi kam juong banyak kiw yaw up, hinrengi kiw yaw tip. Tudayakan mau kendit ho. Lapan mi da kapate CTV, nakabenta ka jing mentoy upat ba.